Okay, folks, with no further ado, we're going to send the Mini up. I got the iPad Mini 5 as my monitor here. We're doing screen recording. So here we go. The Mini's over here. We're going to go, we have a whole bunch of satellites, 19 satellites, 98% battery life. So we're going to go up and out of here.
Takeoff. The home.
There we go. We got a nice hover from the Mini 2 here, locked and loaded on GPS. So we're no further ado. We're gonna go up and get Lucy. All right, we're just a few minutes before sunset here. Here's Lucy the elephant. It's Margate's most famous icon. It's on many on like road maps of America. Many famous things. Everybody knows who Lucy is. So let's see if we can use the orbit feature here and get Lucy. So we're going to stop right here. And you know what? We're going to stop first and maybe take a nice picture of Lucy. Then we're going to go to the, see if we can do the automatic orbit here. So, okay, there's probably a good shot of Lucy. Probably not really, you know. Let's go up a little bit higher and get her from the front. That's probably a much better photo of Lucy. Let's go over, get that building out of there, go down. That's good. We'll recrop it later here. Okay, there's auto bracketing. Okay, now we're going to try the dual auto orbit thing here. So let's go into our settings here. Go to quick shot. Let's go to circle, and let's go back to Lucy. Let's draw the box over Lucy. Let's go. We're going to go this way, and.
3,
hit start now.
2, 1.
And this isn't as good as the orbiter featuring on some of the other drones, like the Mavic Air 2 or the Mavic 2 Pro. Like this, you'll see it here. It'll kind of speed up a little bit here in a while. It's keeping her in track pretty good. I was trying it the other morning, and it was kept losing track a lot. But here it's doing a much better job than it was the other morning for me, keeping her in focus. So as I'm about to go over the street here, I'm going to stop the orbit. So I know traffic coming now, but I kind of don't want to go over the street. So so let's see. Let's get out of here. We demonstrated that, and you know what? Let's do a how about a boomerang or a helix, or what do you think? How about the helix? And let's say 120 feet. Okay, let's draw a box. Okay, hit
3,
start. This is the
2,
helix.
1.
And remember, if this one of these goes wacko, and you can always hit the red X button on the right hand side of the screen to stop it here. So this is the helix. I kind of expect it to go faster, but I think it will pick up speed. But keeping Lucy, you know, in the box there, centered. I was helixing around there. But now it's kind of got her off screen, and I cannot adjust my gimbal at this point. So it is what it is. All right, that's a helix. I don't think I'm really, I look like I'm over the street, but I don't think I am, because I'm eyeballing the thing here. All right, so we've almost done a 360 there. That's give you a completion percentage under the red X on the right-hand side of the screen, which is usually the start-stop button. So we'll probably stop at, I guess, 100%. It's up to 200 and some feet here, 247 feet. Okay, so that was pretty neat. So let's, maybe we could go catch a little of the sunset here now. We've been focused on Lucy, but let's get out of this mode here. Go back to video mode, 4K, 24 frames per second. And let's lighten it up a little bit. Okay. And let's hit record, and let's see if we can find the sunset here. I still got it in city mode here, or cinematic mode is short here for, there you go. Let's pull it all the way around so we get the sun in the rule of 4/3 there. So there we go. Yeah, we're, sunsets are coming early nowadays that they changed the old daylight savings time on us, but hey, you know, it is what it is here. Nobody likes, well, it seems like nobody likes daylight savings time, but they do it anyways. So, okay, I got a strong wind warning here, unable to return. Wow, I'm a whopping 444 feet away. But let's just reduce the height here. Let's get this thing under 200 feet. I think it'll be a lot happier. All right, so let's take it out of city mode. I'm not gonna put it in sport mode, because sport mode the gimbal goes all wacko on us. So let's just go down normal mode down here at the beach. We're just watching the sunset here. Kind of like this shot. I'm going to stop it for a second. Let's stop flying. Let's go back to our video here. I mean our photos. Go back to our photo mode. So we'll do a auto exposure bracketed jobber here. So this doesn't have HDR photos like the Mavic Air 2 does, unfortunately. Or they did call it HDR photos. They call it like enhanced photos or something, which was a really nice feature. But I'm glad they added bracketing and raw photos. It's a big step up for the little Mini 2. So okay, let's go back to our video here, and let's continue on our flight. Now I'm gonna go in. I kind of don't like the white balance totally here, so let me go into the camera settings here, go down to white, and I'm gonna maybe my Kelvin. You know, I think I like that better. I just adjusted a little bit, but I think I like that Kelvin. a little bit better. But hold on, let me go one more time. Take a bluer. You know, I'm not sure. Let's play it at about 56. Okay, let's try that, folks. Okay, here we go here. Flying down the beach again in normal mode. And you know, I'm going to go 2x here because the sun's really starting to disappear. So let's go 2x. You can really see the bridge there, the Ocean City Bridge and whatever. So let me go like this for a little while. Get a better look at that sunset there. I may have to change the EV. It seems to be blowing the sky out just a little bit too much. I think that's the perfect setting there. So let's go. As you can see, I just have it on. You know, I haven't changed exposure at all here. So. City mode, and let's kind of wrap around a little. Let's fly one way and yaw the other, and we'll line it up eventually at the 4/3 mark as the sun slowly sets there. I'm good on battery life. I still got 10 minutes of battery life left, so we're good there. We're not that far away, so coming back home won't be hard at all. Alright, so I kind of like that shot. Let's go back to the 1x here. Get that real wide view there of things. Maybe capture the buildings there. I don't know what I like better there. That shot, let's go in a little bit. I like it like that. Or if I'd rather frame it on the other 4/3 line there. I'm getting a wind warning again here. I like this too. So I'm catching the end of the peninsula and Ocean City sticking out to the left there in the distance. So we're at 200 feet, getting a few wind warnings, but we're doing good. All right, let's go one more picture before that thing sets totally. Okay, we'll go up here, go back to our pictures, photo, and let's go up just a little bit higher. I know we'll probably get that wind warning, but let's just go a little bit higher and click that final exposure before the little sun peaks below the surface there. So, alrighty, that will be our final shot of the day there. Well, maybe not. Let's call this one our final shot of the day, folks. Alright, let's bring the Mini back to us. What I'm going to do is, folks, I'm going to show you how to do this. You can call this up here, this map, and you know, you see how you can fly it right back to you on a beeline here. So I'm going to switch over to sport mode here. You see it in the middle of the screen there. I'm going to point the front of the drone with that little light coming all the way back to us here. So let's fly back real fast. We're real high here. We're not going to hit anything. There's only a couple tall buildings here, and we're not going to hit them. We'll go back to let you see this. Oh, look at this. I see that tall building, but I'm not coming. I'm almost back now. That tall building's beyond where I'm standing. It looks close, but it's not. All right, it's almost over me now. Let's bring it down a little bit before it complains. I'm surprised the gimbal's not bouncing around. It's because I'm not filming. If you're filming it, That's when it bounced around. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't want a video. Let's go back to video. I didn't want a photo. Okay, here we go. And the thing's right above me here. There's Lucy again. We'll fly right up to Lucy. Let's change my EV settings here. I thought I was filming. There you go. There you go. Lucy up close. Put her in cinema mode here. It's it's almost dark here. Let's go up here and see if we can see a little sun in the distance. Behind the buildings there. We turn the EV off down to 0 again since I'm blowing out the highlights there. There's your sunset. The afterglow, as I like to call it. So, how about we stop that and we try to get a nice photo here. Photo. See how we're looking here in the photo. Notice how the white balance is a little bit different in the photos than it is the the video. Okay, let's see here. Let's adjust our EV. Oops, maybe not. We want all that color in the thing. I'll use Lightroom to bring out the shadows down below.